Hi everyone. This is a short video on how a large language model that just predicts one word at a time actually becomes a chatbot. So I've seen a lot of videos online talking about the grand promise of AI and all the complicated things that auto GPT and chain of thought prompting can do. But how does a system that's just predicting one word, that's all, one word at a time, taking the context, moving on, become a chatbot and a chain of thought prompting system and do all the complicated stuff that we see large language models doing these days. So I'm going to start with a simple sequence. It was the professor of times. It was the, and then I try and predict the next words. So I submit this. Worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness, and so on and so forth. So this is relatively easy to understand. It's taking this context, predicting the next word, taking this context, predicting the next word, and doing that word by word or token by token every single time. But how does this become a chatbot? I'm going to take a script. Now, the words in a sequence, in this case, it just happens to be a sequence of words in a continuous piece of like regular text. What if the text happened to be that of a script? Now, this is something I've Googled. It's just out there on the internet, a script from a play. So let's take something up to here, and I'm going to paste this sequence in here. This is the context I'm providing and asking it to predict the next sequence of words. Submit. There we have a continuation of a transcript. Now, it's still predicting the next one word at a time or one token at a time. It just so happens that those words are in a sequence that happens to be a script of a play. So far, so good. Now, the words here, do you know who the teacher is? And then Anastasia says, I heard it was Perry Poppin. These are probably, yeah, these are not the words that actually show up in the script. It's just making stuff up at this point in time. What if this transcript that is trying to predict the next words from was a conversation between a chatbot and a user? So let's say a chatbot says, Hi, how may I help you today? And the user says, Hi, I would like to return the coffee cup I ordered on your website. Let's take this as a context. What is it going to do? I suspect, and we'll see in a second, it'll just predict the next word in this sequence, which happens to be a transcript of a chatbot and a user having a conversation. So, hi there, I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please provide me with your order number and the reason for the return? So it's assuming that this is a chatbot, which just is on some sort of customer service module of a website that allows people to order coffee cups. What if I had user and I provide this sequence and ask it to complete the next sequence of words? It's also going to try and predict what the user would say. So it's not aware as such that it is a chatbot. It's not sitting there plotting to take over the world like Elon Musk or some other people are saying. I submit, and it's even trying to complete the sentence for or the transcript for the on the user's behalf. Sure, the order number is 1234, and I want to return it because I received the wrong size. That is as simple as an autocomplete system becoming a chatbot. So that's it. It's just completing a transcript between a user and a chatbot. It's as simple as that. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.